I love shiny things as much as the next girl. But let's get factual. The price of mined diamonds has gone down 26% in the last 2 years. And guess who's sweating? De Beers. The same company that hoarded diamonds created artificial scarcity and made us believe that spending 3 months of money on a rock equals to love. The price of mined diamonds is roughly 5 times that of lab-grown diamonds. And only experts can really tell the difference. So are mined diamonds still worth it? Time to overthink. The key difference between mined diamonds and lab-grown ones is their resale value. But the moment you walk out of a store with a mined diamond, it loses 25 to 50% of its value. Let me put that into perspective. Say you buy a lab-grown diamond for about $1,000 and let's assume its resale value is 0. On the other hand, for a mined diamond, it would cost you about $5,000 with a best case resale value of $3,750. Which means that you're down $1,250. And if the price of mined diamonds keeps dropping, your resale value reduces even further. The math clearly ain't mathing. Would you still buy a mined diamond, or are we past the illusion?